Today's video is regarding Canon PIXMA TS5060 All-in-one printer. So this is a wireless printer where we can do the wireless printing and scanning. So it's very easy to use this printer. So I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and setup. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, and you will see after some time the display screen will start to work. Go to the display screen and you will see here it displays about the language, so we have to select the language and click OK. Agree to the terms and conditions. Now we have to install the ink cartridges. Now I'm going to show you how to install the SetUp ink cartridges in this printer. So we can just open the printer. The next thing is to remove the seal, and like this. So this will open the ink cartridge. Also remove the orange seal, which is this one. So with the thumb you can just move it away, and once you do it, it's ready. So do it for all 5 ink cartridges. C will go under C section. So and this PGBK will go here. So just match these colors and also the alphabets and place them here. So you just have to simply slide it in, press it down, and it will lock itself. All the lights on this ink cartridges should come up. That means they are installed properly. And once it is done, just press the ink cartridge chamber door down. It will lock this area. So go to the display screen to see what is next, and we can see here it says it is preparing for the print head alignment. So we have to load the A4 size sheets. Now the next step is to load the A4 size sheets. So this is the rear paper tray. You can slide this door out and it will open like this, and place the A4 size sheets here. So just have to go to the display panel and click OK. So the next thing is to open the top scanner lid. Place the page facing downwards on the left hand side corner and just click OK on the control panel. So it will do the alignment. Now the next thing is it says wireless LAN connection. So if you want, you can do the Wi-Fi setup from here, or you can select do not connect. Go to the display panel, and I'm going to show you that how to do the copy with this printer. So now I'm going to show you how to do the copy. So open the top scanner lid and place a page facing downwards on the left hand side corner. Close the lid. Go to the display panel, and here we see the copy. So just have to press OK and go for the standard copy. And here we can select the number of copies. So once you click OK, you will get the options. Click OK, it will go back. Go down, select if you want a black and white or color, and then click OK again. So once you are ready, you simply have to press the start button and it will start the copy. Also we can take the paper output tray out, which is just simply at the bottom of this printer. So copy is quite fast. You can see it has almost done the copy within few seconds. So overall I can say the printer is really efficient and fast in its work. So once we are done, we can click on the home button and you will see the home screen here. You can close this control panel and the paper output tray. So whenever you have to print or copy, you must open this part, only then it will send the printouts. So overall I can say printer is really good. It's compact printer and you can use it for the home or office use. Thanks for watching.